Hey everyone, welcome back to Cook with Antoniette Tea. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. I see you and I appreciate you. And if you are new here, welcome. I share easy, healthy and delicious recipes every day, every week. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a recipe. Today we are making a creamy, refreshing smoothie with mango, bananas, apple and avocado. It is perfect for weight loss, energy and glowing skin. So here is what you need. I'm using 4 small ripe mangoes, a banana, an apple and avocado. You'll also need some water or plant-based milk to blend it smoothly. We will start with washing the fruits, then peel them and blend in a blender that I got from Jumia. It's quick, powerful and super easy to clean. You can find the link to it in the description box below. If you might be wondering why I'm not using the big mangoes, one is because in my previous blending I used big mangoes, but they sort of made my smoothie to have a bitter-like taste. So this time around I decided to use small mangoes that were overripe for my smoothie. Something I noticed with these small mangoes is that they have string-like fibers, which when you blend, yes, they are going to finish, but I didn't like that part. So in choosing your mango, decide whether you are okay with the fibers in the mangoes or you prefer the big mangoes. Yes, the blender I was talking about, it has a 1.6 liter jug and it's a 2-in-1 with a grinder. The brand is Lions and so far so good. It's working very perfectly for me. I can't complain and I would recommend you getting one for yourself. To turn the blender on, you turn the knob clockwise. There is 0. At 0 it's not blending. Then when you move to 1, you start blending. When you move to 2, the speed of blending increases. Then here you are checking for the consistency, if it's thick enough or we need to add some water to lessen the thickness. So for me, I needed some more water, and then we continue blending. Look at that texture, so creamy and thick. The particles you see are from the apples because I did not peel it. Although when taking in the smoothie you don't feel it. And this smoothie is naturally sweet and totally filling. It's a perfect way to fuel your day. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments your favorite smoothie combo. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and share this recipe with a friend who would love it too. Also, don't forget to get your blender on Jumia. The link is in the description section.